Discover a world of creativity with our Procreate brush collection. Our app offers an extensive library of high quality brushes, stamps, and grids to enhance your digital artwork. Scroll through hundreds of unique tools designed for lettering, illustration, and textured painting. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the perfect brushes to bring your ideas to life. Now let's check out our latest spring floral grids. Downloading and importing brushes is super easy. Just a few taps, and they're ready to use in Procreate. These grids help you create balanced, beautiful compositions with ease. Here's how they look in action. Simply stamp them onto your canvas and start designing. Perfect for botanical illustrations, decorative lettering, or any creative project that needs a fresh floral touch. Try them out today and elevate your art with just a few strokes.